Alright, what's up guys? So the dude has uploaded a video titled Try Not to Wheeze Impossible Deleted Scenes number 4. I think the last time these guys did like a try not to laugh like challenge themed video, I just immediately failed. Didn't stand a chance at all, but I'm gonna try to. Dang, I should have plugged up. Hold on for a second. Let me plug up my laptop. Alright, I'm good now. So, anyways, if you guys haven't, make sure you guys go subscribe to the dude. Also, I'm wearing some merch. So I had made this hoodie a while ago, but I just recently started selling it on my official merch store. So yeah, it's pretty much to just pay respects to half of my videos that's been demonetized. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out this video, see what it's gonna be about. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys go subscribe to the dude. And any friends that's in the video, go subscribe to them too. But anyways, let's get into this video.
I hate this one. I don't know what's.
To say, I can't hear nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot I had to restart. I had to restart Google Chrome.
Hey dog, chill out. I'm taking a piss. Actually, no. Hey, dog, get out.
What, Dr. Disrespect walk in your room? What do you mean?
I freaking laughed again. I told myself, okay, no, that didn't count. That didn't count because I forgot what I was watching. But anyways, no laughing.
Alright, pause the video, pause everything. I got a special announcement to make. They turned me into another YouTube's baby. So just like last time, I worked with people at YouTube's on designing every bit of this guy, from the box art to the figure itself. This time I wanted to put all the stupid meme instruments that I've played all into one figure. Also, probably the main selling point, cool. Look at the dumpy I have from this angle. Anyway, I love working with YouTube's because it supports me directly and it also gives you guys something really cool to have as well. So the figure drops on December 4th at 12 p.m. Pacific time. And the figure is limited edition, so once they sell out, they're gone forever, so you gotta be fast. They're also gonna be giving a few extra of these away, so if you want a chance to win one, you gotta click the link that I left down in the description box to enter the giveaway. All you gotta do is follow the YouTubes on Twitter, you gotta subscribe to the YouTube channel, and follow them on their Reddit, and that's it. You're entered in the giveaway. So remember the date, and let's get back into the video. Be a racist or be a progressive. Choice is yours.
Say the N-word or let him pass. Just like walking by.
Just in the hood.
It's so fun. Just imagine him like crouched behind a bush in like the middle of Detroit.
All gillied up, just prone in like a dumpster. Just wearing a garbage bag.
Freaking crazy.
Oh my god.
I also have shoe. Oh, it smells so good.
Hey, bro.
You guys in here sniffing shit?
Hey, I'm saying, like, if the shoe's not used, then okay, like, you could tell that they in somebody else's house. But I'm telling you, when you get you one pair of shoes that have like a really dope smell. Get you some like foam posits. Get you some Nike foam posits. I'm telling you right now. Or you could just get any shoe in reality. Like, I know all of these shoes I've had, like, they've all had some like sort of smell to it. All shoes have them though. Get you some Air Forces. Air Forces be having like a new shoe smell, but I'm telling you, man, like, I'll be sitting there for a second just sniffing shoes.
Shoes? What the fuck?
No. You saw nothing.
You fucking shoe sniffer.
Joe Biden 2020, Joe Biden 2020.
Stretch my butthole for Biden, stretch my butthole for Biden.
Alright, bend down real quick.
Come shots for Biden.
Oh god, it feels like poop going backwards. Oh, it feels like poop in the other way.
Oh my god, bro. Yay.
Imagine Joe Biden saying that. Pressing, just like, whoa!
Alright, watch this. Allah guide me.
Oh my fuck!
The high notes.
Well, he did a good job.
We should be playing Cars the game without fucking bad our video games. Yui!
Dang.
Right
That was
here.
violent.
A retard trying to play the flute.
It's just blowing into its full tilt. Okay.
Okay, dude.
And that was retard in A minor.
The 5th rendition.
Okay, don't say there's a retard in a minor. That is not. That is
Yeah,
not.
that was. I wonder if that old guy that I stream snipe is live.
What?
Oh yeah.
Wait, you stream sniped an old guy?
There was this dude that camped out my building for like 20 minutes, and he's like 85 years old, and he fought in the Korean War.
Why
like
is
a-
this dark side of
Yeah,
dude
or-
now coming out? That's terrible.
You just stream sniped this literal vet.
His name is K-pop. He likes K-pop, which is kind of ironic because he went over and shot them, but
That should, I'm telling you, like, that should be a compilation or like a video that gets put together, just the dark side of the dude and things. I feel like the dude, he does have a dark side to him, like, and this was just like the beginning of it, or the one that, the dark side of him that we're all gonna see right now.
Okay, so
uh,
my chat is giving me intel. The ghost name is John Harris. Okay, so apparently there are trigger words. So like, we have to trigger John Harris.
Rape.
'Cause he'll get angry on Twitter. And leave a reply.
Okay, dude.
What did dude say?
I'm sorry. Oh, boobies!
Oh, mama.
AFM found what we are looking for. Here it is. Here it is.
Game over, boys. We can log off.
Alright, time to uninstall.
Soup! 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 Sorry, I'll mute. Soup!
Thank you. I'm glad it only took you.
Osama Bon Jovi. I swear, man, these names.
Fucking 25 times
I think
to
like
Like a
decide
special
to-
class at a restaurant.
What do you want? So,
That costume is sick that he's wearing. That's the most evilest looking rat I've seen. Oh, nah. I was thinking like, dang, let me go out and see what this game is. I don't want to look at no evil rats while I'm playing this game. I liked it for the costume, but I'm like, nah, man. Rats on drugs.
Oh my god.
Do you buy bonds, dude, or do you just?
I buy
Membership.
bonds.
If you
Shut up!
If you buy gold, it's literally
Shut
cheaper than
up!
membership.
No one gives a shit.
Ah, okay.
No one gives a shit about
Oh, I
RuneScape.
got 99 mage the other day, by the way.
Shut the fuck up!
Well, 10 mil is $4.
You little queer game.
you're a little queer gay.
You little queer wizard game that no one cares about.
Dang.
You're queer wizard. You sound like an alcoholic father.
You playing your little queer wizard game again?
Nest these boogers for all
You have to get serious.
Oh god!
God damn! He bodied both of you motherfuckers.
Without snoring.
What were you saying?
That was so funny. How do you get both your motherfuckers?
And boom!
Shit.
Why are you a naked cock?
This is my persona,
I swear,
dude.
man.
It's like you ran into Duan Omegle.
There were a lot of gays in San Francisco.
You were
One less when you left.
Okay. Thanks, Blark. I appreciate you continuing the narrative that I am gay.
Why'd you struggle with that N-word there?
What?
Okay.
Well, he's bigger than me.
Give me a KS. Come on.
Soup, you smell like.
Oh, we'll never know.
God, what does
he
he
smell
smell
like?
We'll never know what he smells like.
That's messed
What
up.
do I smell like?
No.
Leave a comment.
No, God, please don't leave a comment.
Oh shit, dude.
Oh,
they're
hell
dead.
yeah.
Holy
When the
shit.
game-
Oh, you're doing cartwheels. What the hell? Oh my god.
And
How'd you not
survivor.
take damage from that?
No damage sustained to the car.
Wow.
What's the worst thing you guys
No.
have ever been hit with?
A car.
Car.
Wait, dead ass?
The worst thing
I
I've ever
dented
been
her
hit
car.
by is the worst thing I've ever been struck by is a smooth criminal.
I fucking knew you were gonna do that.
I did too. I
As
thought it was
soon
gonna be
as you-
thunder.
As soon as you stuttered, I fucking knew that's what you were doing.
Michael Jackson is
as like a
hee-heeing in his
punishment
grave
kind of
right
thing.
now.
Hey, you just hear.
I would get scared and run. That was a hard video. My cheeks hurt from just smiling. There was no possible way I was going to get through this video without smiling. But yeah, I was like, I didn't laugh. I mean, I did in the beginning, but that don't count. So anyways, that was a pretty good video. Shout out to the dude. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys go subscribe to him for more videos like this. Like, subscribe to me too. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.